In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share a Bitbucket repository link. Start by signing in to your Bitbucket account. Once you are signed in, open the workspace that contains the repository you want to share. From there, select the correct repository so you can access its main page. Before you send the link to anyone, take a moment to check the repository visibility and access settings. This is important because the people you share the link with will only be able to open the repository if their permissions allow it. If the repository is public, anyone with the link may be able to view it. If it is private, only approved users will have access. After confirming the visibility settings, go to the repository's main page. Then copy the repository URL directly from your browser's address bar. This is the link you will share with other people. If you also need to give access to specific users, open the repository settings. In the settings area, look for the section labeled User and Group Access or Access Management. Open that section to manage who can view or work with the repository. Next, invite the users who need access. Enter their Atlassian account information in the invite field. Then choose the appropriate permission level for each person. Make sure you assign the right access based on what they need to do. For example, some users may only need to view the repository, while others may need permission to contribute changes. Once you have added the users and selected their permission levels, save the access changes. This applies the new permissions and prepares the repository for sharing. Now send the copied repository link to the people you want to share it with. They can use that link to open the repository as long as their access rights are set correctly. As a final check, verify that the invited users can access the repository without issues. This helps confirm that both the link and the permission settings are working as expected. If someone cannot open the repository, review the visibility and access settings again and make any needed adjustments. Sharing a Bitbucket repository link is mainly about two things: copying the correct repository URL and making sure the right people have the right level of access. When both parts are set up correctly, sharing your repository is quick and straightforward. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.